Hey guys, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Here we go. I'm not going to be talking too much this video because I have to concentrate on not getting caught by the cop and jumping. So sorry. Okay, we're about to get a box. I wonder what's in that box. Maybe a hat. Because I already have one of Tritsy's hats. Oh, the cop's right on my tail. How did he jump so good? I'm really fast. Looks like I got a golden box and some coal and a magnet. Magnets are really useful. Oh, come on, the magnet's all gone. I wish I had it for the rest of the game that I survived. Oh, I wasn't paying attention, so I died. Or didn't die, passed out. Got caught by the cop. So I'm gonna open up my box and see what I got. How many hoverboards? Yes, 3 hoverboards. So now I got 5 hoverboards. And I got a golden box. Let's see what's in there. How many keys? 1 key. You'd think that more stuff is in a box. But I did get this guy that I can buy. Yeah, if I get enough points, then maybe I can buy it. But now let's try that again. Ooh, a jumper. Yes, jumpers are kind of rare. Pogo sticks. Pogo stick, I meant. Yes, I'm on a roof. That never happens to me. Hey, another pogo stick. Ooh, jumpers. Oh, that would have been really good with the jump boost. Just jump up. But this game's super easy because you just have to put your finger up. It's not that complicated. That's what I like about this game. But today's going to be kind of a short video. Maybe not. I don't really know yet. It's up to how long I really want to play. And then, but you guys just in the comments below say what game I should do next. Oh, I just got a mission completed. Should I use a key or not? Nah, I'm gonna save them until I get really, really far. Yes, more keys. I should have used that key. And a new score. So I should have used the key when I needed it to get a better score. How much coins do I have? Only 1,720. So guys, maybe 1 or 2 more tries.
Click home, and then maybe you could upgrade your person. Maybe.
So I'm gonna click home and try and see if I can upgrade my person.
Yeah. It's either you click me.
I'm gonna click me and then go on to. I know. Ooh, this is free. This is 150 spray pans, and that's super cool. But I'm gonna try this. Ooh yeah. And that was free, and that's cool. 100 keys.
Yeah, you're almost close to it. On one of my one of my iPads, I have the Facebook thing, the dragon monster thing. That you need Facebook to log in.
In 10 hours, I can pick that. money for a suit. This is a lot of... See, most of the stuff, you can just buy the second suit for free. I'd rather have Frank Crow Crew, and then the
Clown.
instead of the clown. Or the tiger. This guy, this girl, this girl. Yeah, I meant girl the first time. Ooh, Mohawk. You need 500 spaceships. Let me go onto my boards and see what I can get. That's a lot of money.
Absolutely nothing. Ooh, you can also get that.
Hey, this is free! Yay.
And you can also get that.
And I
which is
can
just
get
a
this, which is also free.
It's pretty much the exact same thing, except there's a trail behind it.
And I'm gonna go collect 3 of keys. Hopefully.
Yep. 3 keys.
It's only a bronze. Too bad I can't get like it's really good ones down here. Never mind. Not yet. I haven't collected them yet. But I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do about 1 or 2 more tries. Yeah, I just made my mind too. And then the video will have to be ended. And you guys can write in the comments below what game I should play next. Or I can play this game again. It's up to you guys. Or if I get bored, I can make another video about this game. I don't have to go on the coins right now because I have. That was bad.
No.
Nah, I should've. So I need 50 flowers. I wonder what will get me 50 flowers.
Do you edit your videos? Who's that editor?
Oh, I thought I could jump higher than that. I should have jumped up on the train and then jumped down. I think I would have been closer. But, so, I'm going to try one more time for my last time. Maybe I can beat my record for the last try. And maybe I might just maybe use the key for you guys. So the video could go longer. Hang on, I'm being really quiet right now. Oh, that was close. Oh, come on. Dogs are ruining the video.
You passed your high score.
Yes, I passed my high score.
And the book tells this guy's high score soon. This isn't even as fast as I've gone. It's already hard. That's my score too.
I'm gonna use a key.
There we go.
Yes, I'm gonna go so. Okay, I'm using 2.
He's the key
That was
for
the
now.
last key I used because I just wasted a key. That was. Oh, that
You
was.
could use 4 more if you wanted.
That was an awesome. I almost beat that one guy with. I just needed 700.
If you got in like
775.
if you got
But new house tour. Let's go. And I'm going to go on to the 1-2 place. I'm this high, and then there's a bunch of people. 300 coins. I can get that.
if you on go up one, if you get that, if you get the like the fire thing, it's like a head start.
That would be cool.
Yeah, it is cool. If you get 6 of them, then you'll just go like pretty much way far ahead.
But that's all today's video, guys. Goodbye.